Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to add an external CSS file to HTML file and use the external CSS file to style the web page. So first of all, I will save this file in the desktop. I'll save this one as in the basic HTML. I will save this file as external CSS dot HTML. Okay, the first one we have to write. The first one is the HTML file, note, and then doc type HTML. I'll write the HTML tag. In the head tag, I will give a title here. So the title tag, this title tag name, I will write the name of this one as external CSS. Okay, so this one is the head tag. I will write the body tag here. So in body, I will write one h1 tag. In h1, I will write let's learn about external CSS. Okay, and in the paragraph, I will write one h4 tag, and I will write here we will learn how to add an external CSS file to a HTML file. Okay, so again I will write one paragraph here. In the paragraph I will write welcome all. I will use a break tag here, and I will write let's learn how we can add an external CSS file to HTML file. I'll use a break tag here, and then I'll write thank you. That's it. I'll save this one and I will run this one. So we got the output like this. So this one is the h1 tag, and this one is I guess h4 tag, and then the paragraph. Now we want to style this web page. Since there is no styles added to this file, this web page, I want to add some styles. So what I will do, I will create one more file here, and I will save this file as external CSS dot, not CSS, I'll just write external styling CYLING dot CSS, and I save this file. I just saved this file as .css because here I will include some styles, and that is the HTML file .html extension. So I'll save this one, and I will write the styles for this HTML file. So where I want to apply the styles, let's check. I will apply it to h1. So in the external document, that CSS file, I'll write h1 followed by this bracket. I want that background color to be pink, And the text color I want green. I'll go for this green. I'll save this one, and again I will go for H4. Here also I want to apply the background color. Let's say I want yellow, and then text. Actually, this one is text, not text decoration, it is only color. I want to change the color of the text, so I'll use the color property, and I will use here, let's say yellow. I will use red here. I'll save this one. Again, for paragraph also I want to give some styles. So in the paragraph I will use background color. For this one I will use this one. And then the color of the text I will use let's say blue. Okay, just save this one, and I want the font size of this one also to be increased, so I'll use font size. I will use, let's say, 30 pixel. I want to change the font family also. I will use font family. I will use, let's say, cursive. I'll save this one, and I want to add a background color for this one, so I will use the body. I want that background color to be appeared in the whole body, so I will use body tag. In the body I will write background color, which color I want, say gold. Okay, let's say I want the gray color. I'll save this one. So this file is saved. Now I'll go to this HTML file, and I need to link that CSS file to HTML file. So what I will do is, in the head tag I will use link as a tag. Link is a tag. Link relation equals to style sheet. That is a style sheet, and I will use type equals to text or CSS, and then I'll give a reference to it. So I'll use href equals to. So here I will give the reference to that file, external css.html. So this one is the file which we want to give the reference. I'll give this one. Okay, so I have used this one relation as a style sheet, type as text.css, and reference as that reference. Actually this one is .css file, external styling.css file, which we want to include in this HTML file. That is .css extension with .css extension. I'll save this file, and I will run this one. So this one is our output. So this one is the first H1, then H4, and this one is our paragraph. So we have changed the font family also here. So that font family is cursive, and that background color which we wanted to apply to all the body, so that is the gray color. That's it. Thank you.